solidarity forever.
Thutha wa ndogamano iria ikoretwo kuo ya ihinda gatagati ka arutani na kamiti ya kwandika arutani wira TSC egie insurance iria marugamirire motungata-ini ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, riu arutani mari mũbango-ini wa kũingĩrio rungu rwa SHA. Akiaria ari mbere ya kamiti egie githomo, murugamiriri munene wa ihinda wa TSC Evelyn Mitei augite gugikinyiria tariki mweri wa Dithemba mwaka uyu arutani othe megukorwo maingiritio rungu rwa mubango wa SHA ta aruti wira angi a thirikari.
It is proposed that all teachers will be onboarded to Public Officers Medical Fund under SHA from 1st of December 2025, and the Commission is working round the clock to complete the envisaged framework on or before 30th September.
Kamiti no iria tongoragio ni mũmbunge wa Tinderet Julius Meli ni yendire kumenya kana TSC ni kuruhanitie arutani mũbango-ini uyu na igathũrima kũigana mũbango wa SHA o ũndũ ũmwe na gũkũrana mathĩna marĩa mariho mbere ya maingĩrĩtie arutani mũbango-ini uyu.
You as a commission, have you interrogated your entry into SHA, the benefits and the pitfalls, more importantly putting into consideration the issue of the teething problems of SHA?
Tomorrow we are having the two unions, Kenya National Union of Teachers and KUPPET, and the rest will follow. On issues of public participation, it is part of our roadmap.
Mitei augite ni maiguithanirie na ruhonge rwa SHA kumahe mathibitari 300 maria arutani maririgitagirwo, akiuga maundu maria marari insurance-ini iria irariho megutwarwo o uguo mari rungu rwa SHA.
As a condition for the tender that we gave, we requested for 300 health facilities, including missionary, private and public universities, and a panel of specialist doctors in all counties, which the provider accepted and provided. We are carrying our scheme as it is to SHA, and SHA have agreed on that. What we are waiting for is allocation of money from Treasury. We've given them the cost of our scheme.
Na niguo gwithemana na migomo ya arutani makionania kwaga kuiganira na SHA, Meli ni ahinyiririe TSC kurora ũndũ ũyũ na ũbacĩrĩri wa mwanya.
Move with a lot of caution and make sure all the parties are involved in every step of the way. We do not actually want to have a case of industrial disturbances arising out of a scheme which is not meeting the expectations of the teachers, or they were not involved in the movement in whichever direction you so wish to do.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.